just realized that as I was starting on my nursery today, I started cleaning and I didn't even film like a before. So kind of mad, so I'm starting now because I'm really excited about the after of what it's gonna look like. So my room is like a disaster right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys kind of where I started. Okay, so when we walk in my room, everything is just thrown onto my bed right now. But this is the area that we're gonna use for the nursery. So it's got like a few feet of an indentation. It's all like hot pink right now. My room is pink, gray, black, and white. And so I moved this over here. This was not over here before. And it had a bunch of stuff on it. And this I will get to eventually because all that was over here. So I'm gonna take all of this stuff, get rid of it, sell it, put it in a nicer place or whatever. And then I'm painting this wall white. And I just took a wall art down and you can see this little thing around it because that's where it was hanging. But we're gonna clean that off and then we're going to paint and then start setting up. I still haven't decided what I'm doing with this wall yet because it's kind of bare. We are converting everything in my room to half of a nursery because we don't have enough room for like a full nursery for her till we get our own place. So we're gonna put her little place right over here. So hopefully I'll remember to keep filming throughout the rest of the day as I'm doing this. Okay, so I just finished painting the wall. I actually didn't realize I had to go back out to get another brush because I did not have a brush to do like the edges, but just having it white makes it look so different. It's crazy. But I have to do 2 coats for sure because that hot pink is like definitely gonna come through if I don't do more than 1 coat. But here, I'll show you. All right, so there is the white wall. Don't mind that black spot. That is actually from a Bath & Body Works candle because I lit it too close. So I just have to wash that later. So it's gross looking now, especially next to the white. You can really see it a lot more. But I painted all of that and all the way up to the ceiling. And then we just gotta let it dry. And then I'm gonna go spray paint some of the decor that I'm gonna hang up. Because I just finished these first 2 items. So I just did this whole pegboard. It was like this ugly brown cardboard looking color. And I just sprayed it very light pink, and I used the same matching pink and sprayed these 2 picture frames that I actually got from the dollar store, but they're textured. How cool is that? So I got 2 other ones and they were already rose gold, but I wanted 2 of them to be pink just so I can have like a little depth on that white wall. And then that one, I'm super excited now. They just have to dry. Alright, so I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to tell the difference, but I have this crib and it was used and it's like this dark brown, and I already did these slats back here. So they're so shiny, you can tell I just painted those. So all I'm doing is just doing it black because I figure even if there's a few spots that I miss, it's dark enough to where it's not going to show. I guess you can tell a little bit of the difference. It's so slight though, but all my furniture in my room is black, so I really wanted to keep this kind of the same in. So I'm going to do the crib first, and then I have the changing table over there that's the same color. It almost looks black because it's next to that, but it is the same color brown. So I'm gonna do that next. So let's go and finish this. Hey guys, what's up? So we are finally finished with our nursery. So I just finished filming a what is in my hospital bag video. So if I'm in the same outfit right now, that is why. Don't mind the mess behind me, because if you're watching the beginning of this video, then you'll know that the nursery is in our room. But I just wanted to give you a sneak peek and show you everything before I forget and before baby gets here. So here is a look at our finished nursery. So when you first come into the room, that's the hospital bag. But this is our nursery corner, and I have my light right there just so you can see everything a little better. So we walk in, and I got this lovely little pink rug from Amazon. And then this is how our wall turned out. So I kind of showed you how it was before. It was like a pink color. It was kind of like the darker pink that's inside of that H. And then I painted it all white because I knew I wanted to hang all this stuff up that was pink. So pink on pink is just too much. We'll start over here. So I saw this idea on Pinterest where you get like this pegboard wall and you hang it above here, and then you can put all these baskets in it and hang different stuff on it. So I actually got this here. Sorry, I'm trying to find my finger. This is a swaddle blanket kind of thing, but it's like a lacy one. And I just decided to hang it because I thought it looked so much prettier hung. And then these right here were little light decorations from Target Dollar Spot. This thing that these little headbands are hanging on is what is it called? I think an industrial like paper towel holder. It's meant for pegboard. And then it came in like this really super ugly navy, and I spray painted it rose gold. And then I just hung all of those on there, and it just kind of pops out of here just like a toilet paper roll would. And then I just hung up all of those on display. And then this is hung in with like a little, they're meant for pegboards. So I got black because obviously black is still a theme in here, and so I hung those up with a little thing that says sweet. I have this pacifier hanging, and I don't really know if she's going to be into pacifier, so I don't want to open it yet just in case, but I have that hanging right there just in case we do need it. This basket is full of little mini tiny lotions and saline stuff, and then some lotion, a cute little headband that I got for my shower. And then I decided to hang up her bibs. So these are all of the bibs that we have, like that rack and this rack. That's all the bibs that we have. So I decided to hang them on display. That way I could at least see them, grab them easy. These baskets came in like a 3-pack. The only thing I didn't like about them, they're supposed to fit inside of these pegboard holes perfectly. So where that's like pushed in right there, this part is supposed to go in here or in here, but it doesn't. Keep that in mind if you're gonna order these off Amazon. But they fit fine because I mean it's easy to maneuver them still. That did bother me though. These are all a bunch of little sample packets that I've gotten from like baby registries or stuff in the mail. And there's just like sample packets of like diaper rash creams or gripe water. This I think is like a shampoo conditioner. There's just a bunch of little sample packets in there. And then they also came with like, I think coupons or something, I don't know. And then over here I have this little thing hanging because I haven't opened it yet, but just so that I don't forget it every month, so I wanted to hang it up somewhere. But these are like those little month stickers for her belly, which are super adorable. And then I have this little thing filled with newborn diapers, which I still can't get over how tiny these are. Like they're the size of my hand. I just stuck a whole pack in there, that way it's easy access because obviously the changing table is right here. Don't mind all my coupons and my marker. This I actually got from, I think this one was from Walmart. And then I just have a pack of wipes up here. I actually took this, and that was the one you guys saw me doing earlier in the video with the contact paper, and I think it actually like turned out pretty good. You can't see like a whole ton from this top, but it's enough to show through that, like, I don't know, I appreciate it. And then down here we have some baskets, and these are what I'm keeping all her clothes in because obviously since we are sharing a room with her, there isn't a lot of space in dressers or closets for us. So I just have, this is all her newborn stuff. These are both 0 to 3 months. And then behind them, if you take that down, I just have like extra wipes and diapers, lotions, stuff that I'll still need to get easy access to, but it's not like technically on display, so I can still reach it back there. And then this bottom shelf, I have these little diaper pack of wipes, which is super cute. This was like a sample. There's like sample stuff in there. I got this as a gift from Similac. They just sent it for free, and it's just a formula thing. I may use it, I may not. I'm gonna try to breastfeed, so hopefully I can, but if I run out, then I have that. And then some nursing pads. And then down here, I just have, this one is filled with 3 to 6 months. This one is shoes and socks, which she's already got a ton. And then this one is like blankets and towels and like stuff like that. It's organized. I can see everything, but I like that I can see the little marble contact paper there. And then I have my breast pump just sitting over here because I know you're not supposed to use it like within the first week or whatever of the baby being born and stuff. So I'm just going to keep it over there for now. That way I know where it's at. These pictures that I have up here, I actually found this one when I was going through some things last night or the night before. And I used to have this hanging up in my room. My grandma gave this to me and I love it. I think it's so pretty. She found it, I think, at like a garage sale or something, but I love how it looks rustic and old and just, but it's still like cute and girly and classic, and the pink matches the other pink things. That is one of the canvases that I made, and Cinderella, if you didn't know the princess already. And then eyelashes, because I thought that was like a really super cute piece of scrapbook paper. And then here is Havana's last ultrasound that we had of her and her big old head. And then this is scrapbook paper, and then I wrote inside, "You will never regret being kind," because I want her to remember that. Exhale is definitely for me. Just to remember to breathe. Joy is her middle name, so that's why I have that there. And then she laughs without fear. That is my favorite verse in the Bible. And so I wanted to put that up there for her. And then the Disney castle over there, and then another H framed with some wooden stuff around it. And then when we come down here, this is her laundry basket, which I thought was super cute because it's got all the little like metallic-y gold in it. And granted, I have like a lot of rose gold stuff hanging up in here. I don't know, I really like the polka dotted because it's between this one and like a pink striped one, and I thought it was just too much pink. And then fuzzy rug, like I said, from Amazon. It was only like 20 bucks. I'll try to find that and link it for you guys down below. Then I have her crib and this canopy, which I got from Five Below, so it was only $5, which is awesome. And then the inside of her bed. Now, I know people have mixed feelings about stuffed animals and stuff being in cribs, but babies literally don't move that much when they first come home, so I'm not really worried about it. She's gonna be swaddled, and in the worst case, I just pull it out, not a big deal. But for now, I don't want my dog to get to them because he loves stuffed animals. So he already ripped off Barnsy's little bow tie, so that's gone already because the dog got it. And then I just have these like 3 little pink ones up here, which I think are super cute. And this, I just love how this canopy hangs because I always wanted one when I was like 13 and I never got one. I had another end table in here because I had it obviously for our room, but I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do with it. So I just set it next to her crib. I have like my stuff in there, but this was another basket that we ended up getting for the shower, and I just have like some of these extra things in it where I'm not really sure where to put them, but this is like one of those things for pictures that are just super cute. And then there's some like little things I'm going to be putting in the diaper bag, and then like some toys, some bottles, like one of the carriers, stuff like that. There's like hangers and stuff in there, so stuff that we're not necessarily going to be using like right away. And then these are the flowers right next to it that you guys saw. I think I showed them to you that I made. And then that's just on top of one of my bins that has my stuff in. So there's still a few things that I need to clean up around here, but for the most part, this is the little nursery, which in all honesty, I think is perfect because she's so tiny and she's not really going to be doing much until she can like start crawling and walking. So she doesn't really need her own huge room space. Oh, and then I forgot to mention too, underneath here where I have the little bed skirt, I have all the diapers. I mean, it is completely packed. It's all diapers and wipes from the baby shower. So I'm glad I got a bed skirt because I was trying to like cover that. And then this blanket is from Target, and it's a reversible one, so it's got like light pink and polka dots. And then the other side is just super fancy. Look how cute that is. It's like neon coral and gold, and I love it so much because we got a ton of swaddling blankets, but we didn't get any like regular blankets. And the fact that it's summertime, I didn't want to get her like a big fleece blanket and be like super hot and sweaty and stuff all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I decorated. And so I'm 36 weeks and 1 day right now, and my belly is definitely, it's definitely huge. I really truly don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to keep her in there. I'm thinking she's going to come hopefully this week, which would be fantastic because it's supposed to be like in the upper 90s this week here, and I really don't know if I could like do that with being pregnant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll try to link some of this stuff down below. I don't know how much I'm going to actually be able to find. A lot of it I made myself, a lot was DIYs, and we just wanted to save money instead of spending so much on stuff, because nursery decor is insanely priced. and it gets expensive. So I just hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember.